Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how to copy your document. This printer is HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479FDN. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask 4-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. This printer you can also scan to USB stick. You can also print with a USB stick. Now, to copy your document is what I want to show you how to copy your document. To copy your document, you need to stick the document you want to copy face down. Okay, close the scanner, then go to touch screen and select copy. When you select copy, then you select if you are copying ID card or document, select document. Okay, and the next thing is if you are copying one-sided or two-sided, select two-sided, select two-sided. Okay, and select color, print in color or print in black. Okay, and tray, you select automatic and select how many copies. You can also select touch to preview. If you scroll down, you select touch to preview as well. Select copy. Now this document is copying page 1. Open it, okay. Copying two-sided, open it up, turn it the other side, close it. So place the second page on the scanner glass and then touch OK. So touch OK. So now this document is copying the second page. Here we go. This is the document we copied, two-sided. Copy this document two-sided. Okay, now go back. If you want to copy this document again, you can go back and select copy document. Okay, select one of one. Okay, instead of two-sided. Okay, so we're copying one-sided. Okay, then go back. Now select copy in black and white and select copy. Okay, and this is the document we copied, black and white, one-sided. The first one we copied the first one two-sided in color. Okay, so this is how this works. You can go back, you can select how many copies. If you want to copy more than one copies, then you select the copy for you to type how many copies you want. Okay, maybe if you want 12, 1, 2, and select OK. You can also cancel it, so you can say so by can cancel it. So copy is cancelled. So you can, if you want to, you can start copying at the same time. Once you start copying, then you cancel it as well. So now this is how this works. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. So this is how to copy your document with this printer. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.